Hey everybody, it's Mitch here and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to create product review videos for your YouTube channel. So product review videos are a great way for you to help your audience and build that audience by providing value to them. You're doing a lot of legwork for them that they don't have to, so they can see all about the products you're reviewing and make a decision based on that. So it's a great way for you to help your own channel by building that audience. They're going to subscribe to you, you're going to get more views and likes. And it's a great way for you to also consistently put up content for your channel, because YouTube likes to see consistent content. So it's an easy way for you to go find products that are in the niche that you're interested in, like make money online or weight loss or keto diets, what have you. And you can provide a lot of value with your videos and consistently put up content. So over time, your channel will grow. And also, if you're an affiliate marketer, you can become an affiliate for those products and put a link in the description below of those videos. And if someone likes a product that you're reviewing, they can click that link and you'll get a commission for that. So it's a great way to make some extra money from your channel. Now, as an affiliate marketer also, if you're promoting just a few of your own products and you want to promote those, it's a great way for you to find similar products and do reviews on them. And you can tell your audience, hey, this is a great product. I'll put a link in the description below, but also check out my other product, which you might also like as well. Or if you don't like the product you're reviewing, you could say, you know, this isn't a really great product. I have something different that would be good for you to see, so check it out in the video description below. So it's a great way for you to, again, build your trust with your audience as a trusted resource, help you grow your channel, and put up content consistently on your channel. So creating these videos, it's a very simple process. It's a certain formula that you follow, and you can consistently do these over and over again. Let's jump on my computer and I'll show you more about how it's done. All right, so this is how to create a product review for your YouTube channel. What I like to do is use a presentation, and you simply just walk through it with your audience. You can do this in PowerPoint if you've got Windows. I've got a Mac too, but you can also use PowerPoint on a Mac. But for me, I use Keynote on my Mac, so that's a good option there. But you can also use some free tools like Canva.com, and there's some presentation software. There's some web-based presentation tools that you can use for doing all this online. And there's some others. I don't have time to get into every one of them in this video, but these are some good options for you. So just create a presentation, walk yourself through it. One thing to remember is that your YouTube channel is set at a 16:9 ratio. So what you want to do is set that for your, make sure your presentations are set to 16:9. I'll show you that right now. So if I'm in here and I start a new presentation, let's say, it's going to come up as regular unless I set it. So I would go to Document and I would go to 16:9 here, and that would widen it out so it fits the screen of YouTube. And then you won't have those black bars going on either side of your video. And also, if I go to Canva.com and I do create a design, and I'll go to presentation here, you can set it to, well, defaults for me is 16:9, but you can set it to, you know, different layouts. Let's go back here, and if I go to like down here, presentation, it looks like that's the default. So Canva's cool. You can use a whole bunch of templates that they have and get started that way. If, you know, depending on what your branding and your colors are, you can make it your own designs, or you can use some pre-made templates. So Canva's really cool, but I happen to be using Keynote for my Mac. All right, so now what you want to do is you've got your template. You want to start building your presentation out according to this very simple formula. You want to make a page on what is the product, tell people what it does. Then you want to get into a bit about who is the creator and what their credentials are in the industry and why you should believe in them. And then you want to say, who is this for? So you can kind of identify with your audience a little bit and say, you know, this is maybe a make money online for the single mom who's looking for extra income online or something like that. Or if you're doing a weight loss product, it might be busy people over 50 who don't have a lot of time and they want to stay fit, something like that, for whatever the product is and who is it for, so you can kind of build that audience and target it towards them. And then you want to get into the product details. So if the product has like a web portal and you've got a membership, then you want to walk them through that and show them all what they get inside, so they don't have to actually be a member to see what they get. There's other things you can do, like sometimes there's a webinar on the product, so if you don't want to buy a membership or get a membership to the product, you can just tell people, you know, what the webinar is and take notes, go through the webinar yourself, take notes and tell them all about the product just by the webinar. So there's some flexibility here about the product details. If you, sometimes you can go to the product owner and say, hey, I'd like a review copy, and they'll give you a cheaper or free copy that you can use to give a product review. Sometimes they won't, and so you can actually buy the product and use it and give some results of what you found with the product and what you like about it. Something like that. This area is a little bit flexible, and I'll show you some examples. So then you want to talk about what the costs are, and there's all kinds of different cost structures for some of these products. Some have like a free trial or a very low-cost trial to get people in the door, and then they have a larger monthly fee. Sometimes it's a 3-pay system if it's an expensive product, or a payment plan, or you can get it cheaper if you buy it all at once. So there's different cost methods, and so you just want to cover those and tell people what they're going to get. I tell people what kind of cost they can expect with the product. So after that, you can talk about the pros of the product or what I like about the product, and then make sure to talk about the cons and what I don't like about the product. And then give a summary at the end about kind of wrapping it all up with all of these things and whether you approve of the product or not. So I'll give you an example here in the next section, and I'll show you a PowerPoint presentation from a review I did. So let me go through an example of a review I've done on a product called the 12-Minute Affiliate Review. And this is like the title page. I grabbed a graphic from their sales page and just put it in my presentation. And then the next slide is the affiliate, 12-minute affiliate, what is it? And I have some bullet points here, and it teaches you about affiliate marketers, blah, blah, blah. And I continue with the bullet points here and just talk my way through it as I go. And then the next page is going to be, well, there's more about what is it, what it does for you. Then the next page is about who the creator is, and I have some bullet points that go through Devon Brown and some information on him. I've done a little research on him. Sometimes there's no information on who the creator is, and you can just explain that, and there you go. So then who is this for? That's the next step in the simple formula. It's new online entrepreneurs who want to learn how to make money online, affiliate marketers, doesn't require any experience, and so now this product has a webinar, so I talk people through what you get on the webinar. So I took a screenshot of it while I was going through it to kind of help people save them time, not have to sit through a hour-and-a-half long webinar with this product. And then I go through some more bullet points about this product and the webinar, what you get with it, how to get results, everything is step by step. So now we go over what are the costs. So you can get started for as little as $9.95, test drive for 14 days, then it's $47 per month, and there's one niche, and there's upsells. And I go over some of the upsells here. This is another screenshot from the webinar and some of the items and cost of the product. And so I go over then what are the pros, cost of entry. It's great for beginners, low cost of entry, done for you lead pages and email follow-ups. It focuses on list building, and it's a money-back guarantee, so you kind of make people feel that it's safe to buy this product, and then it's good support. So then go over some of the cons. It's focused mainly on paid traffic. Affiliate marketing takes personal touch, like YouTube videos, so it's not really plug and play. Then there's just some other items here. I don't want to bore you with all of it, but that's pretty much it. And so that's the walkthrough of this review. There's more to it, and I did like buy the product, and I did a walkthrough of what you get on the inside. I bought the $9.95 14-day trial, and then I wasn't interested in keeping the product, so I didn't continue on with the monthly fees, but I just canceled after the 14-day trial, or before it was up. And so I was able to get inside and show people what you see on the inside. And I'll put a link to the video of this review below in the description of this video, so you can see the actual review and how it was done. All right, so that's it. That's how to do a product review. It's just a simple formula. Tell people about what the product is, who is the creator, what the costs are, take a sneak peek inside, all those bullet points, what I like about it, the pros and the cons, and then whether you approve or disapprove of the product. I'm gonna leave a link below for the one example I showed you here, plus another example review that I've done, so you can see kind of how they're done and how I go inside the system and show people what they get when they go inside of it, so they can see it without having to get the product, and they can get an honest review from you. So I hope you found value from this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and leave me some comments of what you might want to see for future videos from me. And also hit that bell notification icon so that you can get notifications when I post new videos all the time. And I will hopefully be doing a lot more product review videos for you in the coming weeks and months, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.